Hello, what is your name?
I'm Rosita Canton.
How old are you?
I'm 37 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Single mom.
Okay, do you have kids?
I have 3 kids, all boys.
Okay, how old are they?
The eldest is 12 years old, the second is 10 years old, and the youngest is 8 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
10 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
I work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months, and in Malaysia 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
10 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Tin Hau.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
975 square feet.
How many family members there?
3 adults and 3 kids.
3 kids. Okay, how old the kids?
The eldest is 7 years old, the second is 4 years old, and the youngest is 3 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
and then I feed the youngest son. I feed a milk
Uh-huh.
and then prepare them to go to school. I change clothes and then after I finish the youngest boy, I help the eldest girl to change clothes and to eat her breakfast.
Okay, okay. And then?
And then after I take them to the school and then I go back to the home, I will clean the house, do all the household chores like cleaning,
Okay.
laundry,
Mm-hmm.
cooking.
Okay. So how about marketing? Do you go market?
Once a week, I go to market
Okay.
once a week.
Okay. So what time you cook for the dinner?
7 p.m.,
7 p.m. So what time they eat?
9 p.m.,
Okay. So what time you go to bed?
12.
12 o'clock. Okay. Thank you so much.